1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hello! Magandang araw.
Tingnan nyo ang buhay namin dito. Yan yung nabili nating kahapon board game. Nasundo na siya. Late na tayong nag-vlog for today.
Beshies mo ha?
Why are you getting all the cherries? Get the grandpa! Get the grandpa! There's the grandpa, guys.
No, I will
Nathan
not
want
get
that.
the grandpa.
Why are you making fun of my grandpa? I got the grandpa, guys. Nathan is making fun of me.
And I got the look. This one I got.
So
Okay.
you want 2 wood?
Yeah.
Like that? 2 wood?
Yeah, you have also two.
Okay, 2 wood.
This is for you. Oh, I'll give this to you, the grandpa. Why?
No, you can buy that.
Now, what do you want to
Okay.
buy? You can buy everything. So what do you want to buy?
Me?
Yeah, you. What do you want to buy?
English ng bahay na ito, guys.
That one?
Wala na tayo sa Netherlands. Nasa Amerika na. Oh, that
Give
one.
you,
Who do you think win, guys?
Grandpa.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points for leftover resources. Nathaniel has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
Purple card bonuses. You get purple card bonuses 1, 2, 3, and for that one, so that's 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 for purple card bonus.
And who wins then? Hello! Ding, 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 ding!
Nathan has a score of 59 points.
Mama.
Mama has a score of 47.
Well?
And Papa has a score of 65. You won last time. With a very high score, you won last
Yeah,
time.
70. But now, Papa wins, oh! Ka-felicited,
Thank you.
Papa.
Thank
you.
Later, we eat first, baby.
Ooh, I want to eat.
But
It's my favorite, ha? It's your not favorite today, I think.
I like it.
Okay.
Look at Mama's berry.
Ngek.
Yeah.
Look at Mama Grandpa.
What's your problem with my
Look at
grandpa?
Mama's grandpa.
Why are you making fun of my grandpa, ha? That's my opa.
With your grandpa.
This is my opa. This is my grandpa. Making fun of him. Siyempre, tingnan nyo, naglaro-laro na kami kinakaluto ng nanay. Nakakita na ba kayo ng mechado na merong cabbage? Paborito niya ba yan? It's eating time. Late na akong nag-vlog. Kaya itong isa nag-wild. Kaya hindi ko siya pinayagan na maglaro doon sa kaibigan niya. Kaya naglaro na ba sila last time, di ba, dito? Tapos doon sila maglaro ba? Hindi pa rin ako masyadong ngayon na hindi nga niya sinasabi kung anong nangyayari. Ganun ba? Kung anong mga ginawa nila. Sabi ko din kasi sa kanya na parang hindi pa ako ready ba na maglaro-laro nga si Nathan sa ibang bahay. Okay lang magdala siya ng kaibigan dito. Pero tsaka, basta, di ba? Hindi natin alam ba? Kadami ko pa namang napapanood na yung, basta yung sa mga Netflix. Maano ka ba? Makaisip-isip ka din. Siyempre, mga dokumentary na mga panood mo. Kaya nag-iingat lang din. Kain, guys! Meron tayong
Let's
pinakurat.
try this.
Sige daw.
Mm,
Yummy?
yummy.
You want it with pinakurat?
No?
Okay. Enjoy, everyone. Ulo, pauwi. You do that too.
The cabbage is super yummy.
Yes! The best.
The best of all of this is the cabbage.
Are you done eating?
I don't want to eat them more.
Oh, you're done. You did not eat a lot of carrots today. But do you know that your papa has a surprise for you?
Yeah.
But not for now. I'll show you, but it's for a little later because you just
Yeah.
ate a lot. You want to see what?
Ay, thank you, Lord. I don't need to translate. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-translate sa bahay na ito, guys. Nag-English na.
Chocolate pudding and whipped cream.
Yes.
For later.
Yeah.
Because we just ate.
Yeah, that's for later. We walk first. You want that?
You are so happy that we're
You
speaking
play-
English.
Yeah, because I don't need to
We
translate.
play board game again first,
Don't you want to go outside?
It's very nice weather,
and
baby.
then
I think we should have
and
a
then
little
we
walk.
get that one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we have a little walk and then you have your dessert.
Okay.
No, we don't want a board game.
No, uy, let's go
I
out.
don't think you will play another board game because you are very tired and you have school tomorrow. So we go out, we have dessert, and then you go to bed.
English na. English na, guys. Mamaya na ako maglinis, ha? Pabayaan nyo naman. Iniwan. Maglakad-lakad na muna kami. Maglakad-lakad tayo, everyone. Pang patunaw. Ipakita ko sa inyo kung saan na tumba si Nathan, guys, ha? Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, oh. Dyan. Dyan po siya natumba. Normal ba yan? Tingnan nyo mga kahoy, oh. Diba? Hindi pantay-pantay. Tapos isipin niya kahoy, nag-ulan. Pinapalaro ang bata. Yun siya. Doon po siya nahulog. Tapos doon din siya na ano sa kahoy na ganyan talaga yung dito niya. Na nagbukas talaga. Kita yung ayoko na alalahanin, guys. Ano man itong trip natin? Wow! Ah, you need to wait for me! You are not waiting. Thank you for the help.
only a pinky.
Where are you going? Oh, a lot of mountains here.
Ja, wil je dan op het kleine daar helemaal heen gaan naar de grote of in één keer naar de grote?
Yung mga bahay doon. Tapos tubig. Kaganda ng tubig, guys. In fairness. Uy, Diyos ko! Ay na, I don't want mahal.
Wacht even. Look at you!
Mahal, I'm afraid. Wait.
Hey, no, don't sit. Stand.
Grabe, tinatalon ko lang man yung mga ganyan.
You can take the edge there. That's
Yeah. When I was young, mahal,
Yes.
I am jumping like that stuff. Ang mga imburnal ba? Ngayon wala naman akong ano sa ganyan. Uy. Me! Woo! You like it here?
Yeah.
It's fun, right? To be outside? Kaganda ng tubig ba? Very calm. Wow! Now, I'm not sure. I'll do here. Ah, puta! Ah, agay. Ah. Tinanggal ko na ang salamin. Kay, hindi ko
Where's the
masyado
lurking?
makita ba? Here. And here.
You know.
No, because of the glasses, mahal, is different. I'm not used to it ba?
Yeah.
Na maglakad-lakad sa mga ganun, matitirik. Look at that. Look. Wala na, iniwan na ako. Natanong patuloy ako, vlog pa more! Bakit daw kasi? Nagbablog ako tapos naglalakad sa mga ganun. Tingnan nyo guys, kaganda ng tubig. Wow. I love it. I'm coming! Because this is not for my age anymore, mahal.
Mahal, I'm older than you.
2 years older only. Ah! I thought just walking. I did not know I'll do this too. Wow. My turn. Iba din yung ano ng mga bahay nila dyan. Oh, ang style. Magpunta tayo sana sa grocery. Kaya doon na lang yung grocery. Oh. Parehas kami walang mga dalang pera. Wala ding cellphone. You did not bring your phone to mahal? Ah, you cannot pay with your phone?
No, because it's a new phone and my
Oh,
bank
yeah.
pass was
Yeah.
disabled, so I don't have it on this phone.
Now, Nathan loves it.
Why, what do you need in the little?
His fruits. He doesn't have fruits for school anymore tomorrow. I forgot to tell you. Where are you going?
I'm going back.
Can I just go back from here?
Bye-bye.
Fine, I will go here. I will go here with you and the guys will see all the stuff in here in the world. Sakit nang natumba sa akin. Uy. Careful. Oo, oo. Maraming mga bata na naglalaro po dito. Ganito din ang, nagbabike. Ganito yung ginagawa ng iba. Maglakad-lakad lang. Laro-laro. Merong nakatambay doon sa likod ng garden niya. Kita nyo ba? Tingin-tingin sa tubig. You think it's funny? Uy, Diyos ko, piang man siguro.
Mama,
Yeah?
ik was helemaal moe.
Very good. English, please. Oh. Did you? That's English. Narinig niyo? Umutot si Daniel, guys. Ito, iba din ang bahay niya. Isang bahay lang yan. Mayaman. Malaki ang bahay. Ginagawa din man natin to noon, no? Yung bata pa tayo. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, ang imburnal dati. Kagaling-galing ko magtalon-talon sa mga imburnal. Yan din, oh, malaki ang bahay niya, guys. Oh. Ganda. Oh. Wow. Tapos ang likod, tubig. Mayaman! Now, how will you go down? Not like that, Papa. Tingnan nyo. We cannot, baby love. No. Not that one. That's too much.
Opa, 1, 2, go, 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 go.
Uy!
Why did you do that? I said you go down there and then you walk back up here. You
No,
are taking
mahal.
the
There's a
very
lot
fast
of
way.
the itchy stuff there.
Look, you go here, very easy. And then here you can just step, 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 step,
Mahal, we don't have the same. Mahal.
step, step.
Maybe you forgot we don't have the same length of the mahal. Yours is like for the giants.
I did the small steps.
No.
I have an idea.
Idea.
Hiring.
English, please.
We go here. Let up. Kaya pa, Mama. You stay with Mama.
Masos, mangita pa dyan. Og sakit.
Stay with Mama.
Mahal, stop it ha. Stop.
Stay with Mama.
Let's go. Mahal. Happy yan. Mahal.
Okay, fine.
Mangita pag disgrasya. Maghanap ng disgrasya. Wow. So happy.
One more time. Woohoo!
Na, sige, your ankle, mahal, you're not... Tagam! Tagam! You're not anymore, mahal, 7 years old. Oy, Nathan, come here. There's a lot of itchy plants there. Careful. Yan, mga makakati na plants yan, Oh. Pala kayo yan. I don't want... Yeah, hey, look.
See, I told you I have a fun spot to go.
Yeah, it's fun.
Only one thing. Don't take strange, super small pathways where you will fall.
Duh. You want to go back there tomorrow, bebe?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see tomorrow if it's not raining. Tingin-tingin lang kayo dyan, guys. Lakad-lakad muna tayo dito sa Europe. Meron pala ako ipakita sa inyo. Ganito din ata na tree yung nilagay nila sa amin, no? Ninano na nila yung doon sa harap ng bahay. May nilagay na po sila. Diba yan yung reklamo ko dati? Na wala pa rin silang nilalagay. Tapos grabe ang mga damo-damo. Ngayon meron na po doon. Iba din tong bahay nila dito. Ganito ang daanan. Tingnan nyo. Tapos nandito ang mga sasakyan nila. Dikit-dikit din kasi ito ng mga bahay. Parang 4 na bahay to siya. Tapos niyan, dyan ang door nila. Iba't ibang ano yan, may ari. Tingnan nyo ang kanilang pag-garden dyan. Di ba bukas lang guys? Hindi nila linagyan ng gate. Ganun lang. We're home! Guys, look. Tingnan nyo. Yan nilagay nila. Merong pa. Grabe si Daniel. Sige pangutot. Ayan din may tree. Tapos may plant. Ito naman. Tree lang ang nilagay nila. Dito din po sa harap namin. Diba? Ganun. Let's wait for Papa first, okay? Because that's his surprise for you.
Yeah.
But you want to look again?
Yeah.
What that is? Oh, look guys, na ano na yung kusina ko. Bakit man yan? Oh, this is the surprise. Chocolate mousse.
It's small.
Yeah, small one. Yeah, but you're not eating all of this, huh?
And I'm eating all of that.
Now and then tomorrow. Half now, half tomorrow, okay?
But
That's too much. Or
a little bit too much.
yeah, little bit too much. Sarap ng mechado ni Inday Garnet for today's vlog. Tapos kainin dapat yan siya kaya hindi mo na tayo magsayang nyo. Ang magandang
Christmas tree.
natutuwa ang
Marami
luna
sa sindi.
ang ilaw nitong
Christmas tree.
at
Natatay ko naman
gumagawa
na Christmas tree.
sa sabitan ko naman ng mga laruan at mga candy.
Ang buhay na Kristiyano ang masayang tunay. Masayang tunay. Masayang tunay. Ang buhay na Kristiyano ang masayang tunay. Masayang tunay.
How's the taste of your dessert?
Sakro.
Chocolatey.
Thank you, Papa.
You know what would have been nice? A cup of tea with a small piece of Dubai chocolate.
We don't have Dubai chocolate anymore. Ow!
Ow! Because why are you taking the strange path, Mahal?
Basta man. Okay lang yan dyan. Magdating na. Yung in-order ko, hintayin nyo. Hinihintay ko na lang. Kaya nag-message na. Ihati daw yun today. Pinabili ko na si Daniel ng mga prutas. Meron tayong mandarin at apple. Kaya grabe, ka-empty na niya. Naubos na talaga ni Nathan. At look at that. Malinis na ang kusina ko. Okay na. And ito, abangan nyo yan bukas. Kaya yan ang kainin ko sa aking brunch. Ang mag-ama ko naglalaro sa taas. Tingnan natin, kamustahin natin. Kasi Nathan matulog ngayon maya-maya guys. Ito, kailangan ko yung i-fold. Ala, sama-sama kayo nung makita nyo sa bahay ko. At ito, nilagay ko dito. Home is where the heart is. Diba dati yan siyang nasa nasa toilet sa baba. Dito ko na siya nilagay kasi pinalit ko yung painting ni Oma. Kikabo! What are you playing? A music game?
Pac-Man, no.
Pac-Man?
No more music game. Oh!
Oo! Hindi ko pa rin alam ba, Mother's Day na sa guys? Sa Sunday? Baka yan na lang kami mag-sushi. Kaya hindi na tuloy yung pa-sushi natin kahapon. Baka sa Sunday na lang po, no? Kaya meron ba yung regalo sa akin si Nathan? Maglagay na naman ako ng oil mamaya sa scalp ko kay kung hindi yun napapansin. Ang buhok ko guys, hindi normal ang pagkanipis. As in, super nipis po ng buhok ko. Ayun, makita nyo agad dyan. Kaya nagbili na nga ako ng yung mga clip-ons na hair extension. Kaya para magmukha lang siyang makapal. Kaya nga, ang buhok ko, nilelayer ko talaga siya. Kaya kung straight ito, para itong tinilapan ng guys. Kaya ang ginagawa ko talaga ngayon, ako ng scalp, mag-oiling, ganun. Guys, manungkab si Inday Garnet. Nabitin ako ba? sa dinner. Kasarap kasi. Love your own. Tapos manok. Wawawi. Ito na sili. Naglaway. Alam niyo, mas malakas ako kumain dito kaysa sa Pilipinas. Sa totoo lang, mas pumapayat po ako sa Pilipinas. Dito ako tumataba, guys. Oo, kasi sa Pilipinas, palagi kang busog. Ganyan ba? Tapos maraming makain, matagal ka magutom. Dito, kay kunti-kunti lang makain. Tapos kada maya-maya, magkain ako. Sarap. Let's prepare for bed! It's sleeping time! Sleeping time, tingnan nyo. Grabe ang araw, Diyos ko. Pa-summer na talaga.
Nagulong tayo na pagulong.
Naligo si Nathan, guys. Kailangan i-blower ng kanyang hair. Grabe, parang alas 2 pa ba? Yan sa labas.
Onder zich ziet Pinkeltje Silvertorendorp snel kleiner worden. Hij heeft al ontelbare malen op de rug van de vogel gezeten, maar er blijft elke keer weer iets bijzonders. De omgeving van Silvertorendorp wordt steeds duidelijker zichtbaar. Een stukje bij Silvertorendorp vandaan ziet Pinkeltje nu ook een stukje van Goudtorenstad tussen de begroeiing uitpiepen. De gouden torens schitteren in de zon. We zijn er zo hoor, rast meneer Raaf. Brodesiestad ligt hier vlakbij. Hebben jullie wel eens een Brodesier ontmoet, eigenlijk? Nee, zegt Pinkeltje. Als ik op avontuur ga, vlieg ik eigenlijk altijd rechtstreeks door naar Nederland. Dat is best gek, zegt Pauline achter hem.
Open it for a while. Dali na. It's for you.
It's for me.
Andito na, guys. Nagpajama na ako. Are you excited? Hindi niya alam.
You order something so big.
You don't have any idea? Wala siyang kaalam-alam, guys. Ano yan?
You said for me. This is for you.
Let's look.
Don't pretend it's for me.
So? Do you like it?
I think this is 10 times better than any of the other things
Yeah.
that you came with before.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Thank you. Now we don't need to fight. Ha to fight.
For getting something that is nice in the house. You know, let's see before I take it out of the foil. Huh?
Ha ha ha! Look at that,
Let's
everyone.
get rid of this. I'll take this off.
Yeah. Wow! You love it, guys.
How much was this?
Secret, waka ma-spread.
How much was this?
Is it
How much was this? How much was this?
secret? Uy, 100.
Ah, that's fine.
That's fine.
How much was it? How much
100!
it was?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Why?
Yeah, it's just wondering. With the, you know, the lights, what do you call that?
Yeah.
So, just one.
So guys, did you enjoy our vlog for today? Thank you so much. Yan na ang bago nating painting. This one, I really love it. Really.
Good.
Like really love it. Look, it will be there. But my husband still needs to hang.